What's up YouTube, and today we're going through the Canadian Tire car wash located in Great Northern Road with the Canadian Tire store. It's a touch system. There's the vehicle going through. The gas station.
Okay, so we have a premium wash.
Yeah.
We have to enter in our code, so let's pull up and enter our code, shall we?
Yeah. There's the store. There's the wash. Okay, roll down your window.
Pull up.
Pull up.
It says proceed to entry station.
Roll down window.
Welcome to Canadian Tire. Please put your vehicle in neutral and enter your 5-digit code now.
Okay. Okay, we should wait.
Okay, 14036.
The code number has been accepted. Please put your vehicle in neutral. Don't touch the steering or brake. Relax and enjoy the wash.
Okay, is your vehicle's neutral?
Okay, rolling up the windows so we don't get soaked.
Yeah.
Vehicle's in neutral. Here we go. Oh.
Okay,
There we go.
all finished. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.